In this video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Adobe Bridge. So the first thing you have to do is over here inside your Essentials panel, you want to select the images you want to add the watermark on. So I'm going to add this to my only image I have here, and you want to click on it, select that image or images, and go to Output up here. Now when you go to Output, you'll basically be able to pull in your images inside your output in the preview, and I just have this one image, so I'm going to put it over here. And what you have to then do is here on the right hand side, you want to basically expand this box which says watermark. So click on it, this arrow, it's going to extend, and click on text watermark. Give it some text. I'm going to just have watermark on here, and then you can go ahead and play around. So we could go ahead and give it a different font. You could give it a different size if you want to. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, regular, whatever you want to use. I'm going to make it bold. And then of course you can change the color as well. I'm going to make this one green for this tutorial. And then here you could also use an image watermark if you want to. So if you want to use an image as a watermark, you can do that too. You are perfectly fine if you do that, but I'm not gonna right now. Now here it says also placement. You can place on images or on page, which will basically put it above the image on your page. Then you can do a rotation if you wanna. You can do the position as well if you want in the middle or like anywhere inside the borders or stuff like that. And then you could also set the vertical margins like this. You could go ahead and adjust opacity, and then yes, you can play around with it and of course create it in a way you want it to be. And after you've done that, you basically have it on your image here. You can go to export to PDF. However, the downside of this is that you can also only export PDF. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to click OK right now, and it's going to just export this. I'm going to just leave it untitled, and it's going to start exporting. This will take a few seconds, and whenever that's done, it's going to open up as a PDF in your PDF viewer. And here, as you can see, I now have the watermark on this image. The only downside, as I said, is that this is actually a PDF. So that's how to add watermarks on images in Adobe Bridge. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.